Hi everyone, I'm Matt, a product expert here at Urmet UK, and today I'm on site with our Dual-Button ExiTimer device, which is one of our self-resetting exit systems. You'll see that our Dual-Button device combines both a press to exit and press to escape button in one unit. Let's get into how it works. For normal exit, the resident or user presses the press to exit button and the door will be opened for the time set in the on-site access control system. For emergency escape, the resident or user presses the press to escape button and the device itself cuts the power to the lock to open the door. When the escape button is pressed, the built-in timing circuit is simultaneously triggered to keep the power to the lock cut for either 1, 6, 12 or 24 minutes, and the door will stay open for that duration. Once that time has passed, the ExiTimer device automatically restores power to the lock to resecure the building with no downtime or call out required.